Subscribe to ABN Media Network and become part of our family and learn so many new things.
Homeschooling for children aged 3 to 5. Homeschooling isn't easy, but once you decide to do it, it becomes simple and deeply rewarding. It's also the best choice for your child. Up to the age of 2.5, focus only on basic training rather than formal studies. Teach habits like washing hands, saying Bismillah, greeting politely, and toilet training. If your child is mentally and physically healthy, the ideal age for school admission is between 4.5 and 5 years old. Try not to delay beyond 5. After your child's 3rd birthday, start light, structured learning for short periods. Don't make study time feel like a burden. Some mothers quiz their children even while feeding them. That's unnecessary. In the beginning, set short sessions in the morning and evening, about an hour each. If your child isn't in the mood, don't stress. Preschool curriculum ages 3 to 3.5 years. Set a 6-month target to help your child develop the following skills. Start with simple coloring to build pencil grip. English, recognition and names of basic colors. Recognition and phonics of letters AL capital letters. Initial sounds of those letters. Letter tracing, recognition through flashcards. Math, oral counting from 1 to 10. Recognition of basic shapes and their names. Tracing numbers 1 to 10. Counting objects and matching them to the correct number. Urdu, phonics of letters from Alif to Sin, e.g., Alif, Anar. Recognition of letters and objects starting with them. Tracing letters from Alif to Sin. Remember, this stage takes about 6 months. Don't rush. Teach and revise 1 letter a day. Ages 3.5 to 4 years. Continue with the remaining parts of the above syllabus. At this stage, your child's pencil grip improves. They can now trace dotted letters and begin writing independently. Replace tracing with writing practice on a small whiteboard or chalkboard. Start teaching English on 4-line pages. Math in boxes or grids. Urdu on a single line. Let them write freely, even if it's messy. Guide gently and encourage them. Focus only on 4 subjects for the entire year. Urdu, English, Math, and daily prayers Masnoon Duas. Once they master these, they're ready to pass a playgroup PG level exam. Nursery level ages 4 to 5 years. English, recognition of small letters A to Z. Matching capital and small letters. Divide learning into 2 phases, teach up to L, then continue to Z. Within 6 months, your child should recognize letters well enough to spell simple words. Writing A to Z neatly on lines. Math, once counting 1 to 10 is clear, extend it gradually up to 100. Practice oral counting, writing, and identifying numbers up to 30. Teach basic addition and subtraction using real objects. By the end of nursery, your child should count to 100 and spell numbers up to 10. Urdu. Children who start Arabic early often find Urdu even easier. Teach recognition, sounds, and writing of all letters from Alif to Ya. Divide letters into 2 sets for easier learning. Match pictures with letters. Ensure your child recognizes all Urdu alphabets confidently. Final steps. This is the core syllabus for playgroup and nursery that prepares a child for prep or KG admission in any school. Instead of paying monthly school fees, invest in colorful readers, pencils, crayons, flashcards, whiteboards, and picture charts. Teach your child at home for 2 hours daily. When your child turns 4.5, visit potential schools and review their nursery curriculum. Buy the required books and teach that content at home for the next 6 months. By age 5, your child will be ready for prep or KG. If you stay consistent, by the age of 15 your child will complete matriculation with strong results. And truly, what more could a parent ask? 4.